And I became addicted to the feeling of thinking in a completely new way. We don't have 15,000 hours to spend learning French. Children are fearless. They will walk into any conversation, whether they know the words or not, where we will hold ourselves back, we'll be afraid. If you want to learn a language efficiently, we need something that works better than what children use. Memories are fascinating things. They're not stored in any particular location in your brain. Images and scents and tastes and emotions. You are on an adventure, then you need to give that language life. You will find that the words begin to stick in your mind. And that's where all of this comes from.